Hello, curious cuties! Welcome to your channel, Pappy's Lab. And I am Miss Pappy, your science buddy.
Today's topic is why are shadows formed?
Hi, kids. Meet Ippu, a curious little girl with big questions. And her best friend, Bobo, the silliest, smartest robot around. Together, they're ready for magical science adventures.
Today's topic is why are shadows formed? We're going to learn something fun.
About shadows.
What are they?
Why do they follow us? Let's find out.
Let's go. Ippu and Bobo are ready to explore.
The sun is shining bright today. Look, something is following us. It's not a ghost. It's our shadow.
Shadows happen when light gets blocked.
The light can't go through us. It makes a dark shape behind us.
Oh, wow.
Shadows copy our shape, but not our colors. Look! Your arms look giant now! That's because of the light angle. As the sun moves, our shadow moves too. In morning, it's long. At noon, it gets tiny. We can play shadow games too!
Oh, wow.
Wanna try a shadow dance? Science can be super fun. Shadows happen when light is blocked. They change size with light's angle. And they move when the light moves. So that's how shadows are made. Next time you see one, say hello!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
But until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep the sparkle in your brain shining bright. Bye! Subscribe for more and hit the bell icon to get a notification.